Hey guys, welcome to my channel War Paint. I'm Tara Michelle. I have not said that in over a year, for sure. I didn't even say it in my last video. My son actually pointed out that I didn't say my normal greeting. So today we are creating this purple eye look. I am digging into my Boxy Charm. This is the Pastel Lilac Huda Beauty palette. This is the one we are using, and it's really fun compact palette. Really love the packaging on this. It has really beautiful colors in it, and I kind of dip my finger into, well, dip my brushes into as many colors as I can to kind of create this. I keep worrying about my lips and my teeth, my lips getting lipstick on my teeth. We kind of did a halo eye, played around with it, and yeah, I wanted to kind of quickly show you what else I got in my Boxy Charm because it was really awesome this month. Probably do a get unready with me over on Instagram for the box, and there's a bunch of skincare in here, so I'm really excited. We got this cleansing water that looks absolutely beautiful, and I can't even with the packaging. It's so nice. This in this glass bottle is like 5 pounds. And then we got this pure overnight detox anti-pollution moisturizer that looks like a spaceship. That's just so freaking cool. I love this. And then we got this Love Script décolletage and neck cream, so I'm gonna give that a shot. That is an overnight mask. And then alongside makeup wise with the lilac palette, we got something that I already put away. Hilarious. Oh yeah, we got the Tartist liner. This is, I don't know if it's available. Actually, it's a dual-ended liner. It has their gel liner I showed in the video for your like waterline, and it has a felt tip as well. And then the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow primer, which is really good, and you'll see it perform in this video. So that was what I got in my Boxy Charm, and I really liked it. So if you want to watch me get unready and try the other products, yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked below. I do a lot of stories over there every day, so if you want to see me using other things, go ahead and head over there and follow. Yeah, there's really not much to this look, you know. We just dipped into a lot of purple shades and had some fun. I will list all the products that I did use in the description box for the whole look. I didn't film the entire look just to save you guys some time. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright you guys, this is honestly take 3 of filming this, and I literally want to throw everything that's in front of me. Why doesn't it want to work? I don't know, you tell me. Nothing's wanting to go my way, and if that kind of thing is happening to you today, you are not alone. Today, like I already talked about, we're gonna go into the Pastel Lilac by Huda Beauty palette. Here she is. Can't even open her. Here we go. There she is. Isn't she so pretty? A couple of you asked me to do a look with this or try it out and see if it was worth the price tag. I did get this in my Boxy Charm. These retail for $29. Some of you were like, I don't know about getting those, like buying them individually, because of the price tag / they feel limited in how much you can use, or how many looks you can do with these, or you're limited to one color. But I feel like they put out these kind of products for those that love specific colors. Like if you love purple, you're probably gonna love this palette. And or you can have multiple palettes, right, little ones with different colors, and that way you can be like, these are my purple shades, these are my blue, and and go in for your looks that way. So basically, we've already laid down a concealer. I haven't done any of my base or anything like that. I'm just going to go into the shadows, and that is what we're going to focus on today. So I'm going to go in first with this top peach color shadow right here, and I'm going to put that near my brow bone, not on the lid. I'm going to press it into the back of my hand to kind of get the product distributed. And my brows aren't done or anything. I hope that doesn't bother anybody. I know that it definitely used to bother people. Be like, why are you doing an eye tutorial and your brows aren't done? I don't know. And I actually didn't do a lot of tutorials before, so be kind, I guess. Or you don't have to be kind. I don't care. It's fine. So I realized also I really need to do my eyebrows. So wow. So I just laid that on the top there, and today I plan on doing a halo eye. So I have a specific brush that I use for halo eyes. It's just something I really, really like. It is the Inspire Eye Fluff brush. I'm gonna go into this top corner, the deepest color basically in this palette. And I'm gonna take that on the outside corner of my eye, and of course the inner corner of my eye. And I just kind of tap on the color. The first, oh, this is going so much better. The first time I used the wrong eye primer, like it just was failing me so hard. So that might happen to you sometimes. So when in doubt, just use your foundation or your concealer. And I got sent a primer in this box too, and it says it's good to use with glitters and other things like that. So we're gonna actually use it at the end when I tap on the center color. And then it actually said that you can mix that specific one with your concealer to kind of customize the shade. I don't recommend doing that. I just tried it and it really didn't work out. So I'm actually dragging this color kind of out away from my eye, only because we haven't done any foundation or anything, so you can get kind of messy. That's the fun part about doing your eyeshadow first, is you can go crazy and not have to worry about your face because you can cover it up. Okay, so I have the outer corner done, and don't worry about what it looks like because that's just the beginning. We're gonna go into the inside, so I'm gonna tap it off into my hand, and then basically to get that inner corner, I take my brush and I really just press it in. Since I have hooded lids, I kind of have to raise my eyebrows to get it where I want it, because when I open my eye, boom, it's gone. So basically, like, I gotta go into that crevice, look up, and then I'm gonna bring it a little bit higher, close to that brow. So I kind of gauge it here, and I try to bring it up so when I do have my eye open, you can still see the coloring there. And then I'm gonna leave the center part open, and we can always go back into this color. So I left my inner corner blank as well. So I'm just taking that color. The color is really paying off really well for being on my foundation. So since I had the peach tone on my first brush, I can kind of marry these two together with that brush, and it's not really dirty and it's not going to mess with the color. So we're just kind of diffusing that by the brow bone. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do the other side, and then I'll cut to the good stuff. The good stuff. I would say for myself, I'm really glad that I got this palette inside of a subscription box, being Boxy Charm, because it's not something that I would say I would pick up either, just because I'm not like, oh, I love purple eyeshadows, but I love having it in my collection and being able to try something like that, because it isn't something I would normally pick up. So I like that they add those kind of things into the box, especially makeup wise. I feel like a lot of subscriptions, and I've said this before, lean a lot towards skincare. And while I love skincare, oh my goodness, I've gotten so many good things from Boxy Charm. And like Kate Somerville Exfoliate, like I love that. I've got that in my Boxy Charm, and like Dr. Brandt products, and I enjoy that. But I like to stick to my skincare regimen, so it's kind of hard to switch it up every month, right? So getting makeup like this is really fun, and it makes you step out of the box and get creative, because you get to try something new. And if you haven't tried like the Huda shadows or anything like that, that gives you an opportunity to do it, because her palettes are usually, I think, like $65 or so. And they're really good though. If you have ever wondered what I think of them, I think that they're fantastic, and they're some of my favorites that I reach for. I really do like them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I really wish you guys could decide with me. I'm gonna swatch these. You can't decide with me because I'm gonna make the decision based on these swatches, but I'm gonna take this guy right here and swatch it. See what it looks like. The lighting is super bright. Oh, these are all the shimmer shades in the palette. So they're really light, so they're really gonna brighten up that space for sure. Now I'm gonna take the Alamar Cosmetics primer. I cleaned the swatches off before I chose. Very good, very good. So I'm just going to apply this right to the middle. And I'm going to bring it up to my brow. I'm bringing it right to the arch. It's really going to be like whoosh, a look. Okay. Gosh, you guys, I can't decide. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the mixed shadow because I think that is a standout shadow. And then if I want to, I will top it with a color. You know, you can use your finger or a brush. I definitely prefer my finger whenever applying shimmery, glittery shades. Ooh, she's so cool. She looks good. Okay, let's add a little bit. See, it's really point pink, which is really close to this shade. So I feel like this shade right here is actually incorporating a lot of that in it as well. So I'm gonna actually pull the lilac a little bit. So that looks a little bit silvery. Well, actually, I might put that on the inner corner. Let me look here. Oh yeah, that's an inner corner. So we're gonna go into the purple. I'm gonna apply that a little bit to the outside edges too of the halo. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. There's multi-flecks of color in that. Just gonna add that in there. All right, I'm gonna throw on my base and then we're gonna come back. We went in really hard with the highlight. I forgot how powerful Laura Geller Gilded Honey is. Very crazy. So we're gonna go in with the same purple shade that we were using everywhere. That bottom shade. Tap it off, tap it into my hand, and we're gonna start to build it up on the bottom lash line. I think that it really needs to be enveloped in the color. And I'm just gently putting that in. And I'm gonna take it all the way down to meet the bottom, or to meet at the inner corner, sorry. Another product we got in the bag that's going to help us with this look is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. This says, get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. The best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full size, made just for charmers, and is not for retail sale. What? That's crazy. So we got this, and it's not even for sale. It retails for $24. So let's try this out because I haven't tried this before. Oh, it's crushed. What? Is it inside there? I'm gonna be so mad if it's inside the cap. Why? Okay, so I have to manipulate this probably. Oh, scheisse Manelli. It was probably in a point, but now it isn't. It was broken when I opened it. Line with it. I'm just gonna be extremely gentle. Seems to be working a-okay. Just doesn't cooperate on the back of the hand. It breaks off. It's not tugging too much. It's not super gliding. There we go. Maybe you just need a little moisture action. I'm gonna take the Item Beauty mascara. I've been using this in the last couple of times I've done makeup, and I believe I even used it in my last video. So I'm gonna just curl my lashes. This is the Pure lash curler. I really like it. For like 10 years I used the same lash curler from Sephora, which I really love. I still have her, but I really like this Pure one. Here we are, finished look. What do we think? That was fun. Be purple, baby. I'm gonna dry my hair, put on a shirt, and come back and talk to y'all. Okay, you guys, so here is the final look. I really do like how this palette performed 100%. I do think it is kind of limited. I'm not going to tell you that you can do a million looks with it, but I think you can really have fun using it with other palettes that you have in your collection, especially the topper shades like that we used for the halo itself. Those can be utilized on all different kinds of shades, and makeup has no rules, so you can just play around with it. And if you got this in your Boxy Charm, don't be afraid to whip that baby out and do a purple look, because I think that would be really fun. And yeah, so I really do like how it turned out. The Tarte eyeliner is really holding up really well, so the waterproof part of it I think is really good, because usually in the amount of time that it took me to get dressed, do my hair, I would have had transfer or some kind of like lifting, or you would be able to see my waterline with other products that I've used. So that really is performing well. So that makes me really happy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're coming over from any of my other social media, make sure you do. Also, I'm just making sure that I don't have lipstick on my teeth, because I kind of do. I kind of do. Yeah, I do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if there's any other kinds of videos you want to see. I will definitely take them into consideration, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell if you're interested. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.